second one is filtering with slicer, and third one is filtering. So in this video we will discuss only 3 points of pivot chart. So firstly, let's discuss here. This is the data, so you have to just create a pivot table here. So now we already know how to do all the things. So let's take firstly brand here, brand. Second one is listing price. So every brand list some of the listing prices here. Okay, so we already know how to do formatting. We already know how to do modifying, formatting, all the things. So right now we will discuss only how to create pivot chart, and second filtering, and third one filtering with slicer. So firstly, let's discuss our filtering. So in filter, you already see there is a one filter already given here. So you have to just drag down the data here, what you want in filter. So here it automatically show top of the pivot table. So here you just click and select which. Okay, so as per this record, you can find only the country sale. If you click all, so you have to just select multiple record. If you want two or more data, so you have to click select multiple items. If you want only one country sale, so you have to just select one country sale. So Canada. So in Canada, there is only four brand sale. Okay, and the some of the list price is here. So as per the requirement, what you want, like I want Canada and Japan. So I just click Canada and Japan and okay. So I get this information. So these are the brand sale in Canada and Japan. So let's move on the another topic. Another topic is filtering with slicer, and last one is pivot chart. So firstly, let's discuss on last one is pivot chart. So here how to create pivot chart. So like if you already create the pivot, so here is two option automatically open. First one is pivot table analyze, second one is design. So in pivot table analyze, you just go directly pivot chart and click as per your requirement what you want. So here, so let's assume we want only the first one. So here first one, we just click this one and okay. So we get the pivot chart here. Okay, so in pivot chart you can also modify, you can also check your data as per the requirement. Here if you want only the South Korea country sale, so you just check only South Korea country sale here. In South Korea only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 brand. So in South Korea 5 brand sales, some of the list prices here. If you want to check only South Korea and USA, so you have to select South Korea and USA. You get the information. And if you want to only in South Korea and USA only Canon sale, so you have to just select Canon sale. So in Canon sale, you can find only 921 some of the total. So you can use this pivot chart for the filtering or for the modifying your data as per your requirement. And now let's move on. Last one is here. Last one is slicer. So in slicer, you also get so many information. Okay, so let's assume as per quantity. So slicer also work for the filtering. So if you want only 17 quantity, so you just click 17, 32, 52. So it shows only the information. Remove quantity, then again if you want, for example, only country, so you just click here and click only here. Okay, so if you need, let's take an example, just click all. Okay, so as per the this information, now you just click only slicer tools, so automatically your data is changed. So slicer and pivot chart option and filtering gives you data as per your requirement. So these are the only filtering method. So thank you so much, and tomorrow we will discuss another thing of pivot chart related to the power pivot and all the things. Thank you so much, my dear friend. Have a good day.